IMOU Robotic Self-Empty Vacuum Cleaner Robot Sweeper, Self-Emptying, 3000 milliliters dust disposal bag and auto dirt disposal base, quick mapping, Mutichannel sensor with LIDAR navigation, never miss a spot, path calculation powered by smart algorithms, IMOU Robotic Vacuum Cleaner Strong Suction, efficiently clean with 2700 PA suction, 3-in-1 system, includes sweeping, vacuuming and mopping, smooth moving, avoids and crosses obstacles without getting stuck, app control, customize schedule and supervise your cleaning, auto recharge, if the battery gets low it will return to get charged, then resume cleaning, accurately build cleaning path, automatically utilizes smart algorithms to create the most efficient paths, singles pass 2 cleans, IMOU Robotic Vacuum Cleaner with electronically controlled water tank. You can use the app to adjust water usage for each room's atmosphere. Low water usage in the bedroom, medium water usage in the living room, high water usage in the kitchen, no more getting stuck. IMOU Robotic Vacuum Cleaner with the multi-channel sensor system. The robot can effectively avoid obstacles and clean your house without getting stuck. Full automation with app connectivity. IMOU Robotic Vacuum Cleaner clean anytime, anywhere with scheduled cleaning plans tailored to each zone, or let it roam free.